Hello guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme with the Traxxas XMAXX. Just playing around here, it's so freaking dark. Windy. See what we can do here. Still extremely wet. Well, that turned out pretty good. Houston, we got a effing fucking problem here. One of few downsides when you're running, how you say, an extremely powerful motor. And don't think, just act. Oh, fuck. Sorry for that F word, guys. I didn't see. Yep. Well, if I'm not mistaken, thanks for watching.